Hello students, nice to see you all. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Students, if you have seen my earlier videos, then you will be aware that in my videos I am talking about Jollyphonics. Jollyphonics. In Jollyphonics there are 42 sounds and these sounds are divided into 7 groups and they are taught in specific order. Okay, and today I will talk about group 5. But before that, what is Jollyphonics? It is a systematic synthetic phonics. Jollyphonics is a SSP program. It teaches the alphabetic code from the beginning. Beta, it's a step-by-step approach from a simple beginning. Avoid the children to read and write words that they cannot decode or encode. Okay? Now, let's start with the group 5 sounds. You are ready? Yes, you all are ready. Start. First one is letter Z. For this, what you have to pretend? You have to pretend that you are a buzzing bees. How? Zzz. How does the bees do? Like this only, na? Zzz. So, this is the sound of letter Z. Now look at the words having Z sound. Zip. Zip. Next one. Buzz. Buzz. Now, next letter. That is W. The next one is W. So, what is the sound of letter W? For this, you have to pretend a blowing wind. How? W. W. So, this is the sound of letter W. Now the words having the W sound. First one, weak. Weak. Wait. Wait. See children, there are 4 letters and 3 sounds. Why? Because when AI is there, we are having a sound A. We are having the sound A. That is why this is wait. Now, next letter NG. So students, when NG will come together, what will be the sound? For this, you have to pretend that you are a weightlifter and you are lifting a heavy weight. How? See. Mm. Mm. So, this is the sound of letter NG. Okay? Look at the words now. Sing. Sing. Next one. Hang. Hang. Now the next letter. The next one is letter V. And for this, you have to pretend that you are driving a van. Okay? See how? And what's the sound of letter V? So, this is the sound of letter V. Now look at the words having a sound. Van. Van. Next one. Wet. Wet. Now student, letter O. You all can see it's a double O. Why? Because it's a long O and the short O. All of you have seen the alarm clock and there is a cuckoo sitting there. And how she is moving the head? See. Oo. 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 So, you are getting the sound of long O and the short O. There is one video for you all. Just have a look.
Ooh. Ooh. Boot. Ooh. Moon. Ooh. Spoon. book, cook, wood, foot.
So I hope children, now your concept of long oo and the short oo will be clear. Now you are aware of most of the sounds of the letters, and now easily you can read the sentences also. So now we will start reading the sentences. How? Just see. He is a king. He is a king. Next one. Look at a van. Look at a van. He went to zoo. He went to zoo. Now some word building activities for you. Children, it's not necessary that every time you have to learn through pencil and copy only. You can learn through the playway method also. See, there is one activity for you. There are 3 plates, and in the first plate we have consonants, second we are having vowels, and in third again we are having a consonants. So now see how easily you can make words out of it in a playway manner. Take out the word, take out one letter from the first plate, vowel from the second, and from the third. Now you have made the word men. Men. Let's try again. Take out the letters from the 3 plates. Now you have made a word van. The next one, see. You have to add ng in these letters and you have to make a word. Okay? See. First one, you will add ng. Sing. Sing. Now match the word with the picture. See. Now the next one. Wing. You have added ng. Now the word is wing. Now match the word again with the picture. See. Next, see. Now hang. Hang. Match the word. And the last one. Long. Long. See. So like this you can do this activity sheet also. Now in this also you have to do the matching. First you have to read the word with the sound. See, first one, boot. Boot. Match the word with the picture. Next one, book. Book. Match the word. Food. Food. Say the word. Say the word with the sound. Food. Now match the word. Tools. Tools. Match the word. Moon. Moon. See the position of the mouth? See the O sound. Moon. Match the word with the picture. Spoon. The last one is spoon. Okay children? I hope you have enjoyed these activities, and like this you can learn to make words also. So students, after learning so many sounds and now you are able to read the sentences also, you are able to do the activities also, I just want to tell you about the importance of Jolly Phonics. Why beta? Why Jolly Phonics? Just have a look. Because it provides you good accent, wide vocabulary, and help the children to read, write and speak in English. Yes students, Jolly Phonics is a magic. So please try to learn the sounds. You will be easily able to read, write and speak in English very fluently. So let's start from today onwards only. Okay? I hope you like the video and we will meet again. Thank you.